Honor 8C flaunts a 6.26-inch HD plus 1520 x 720 pixels display with 19:9 aspect ratio and a notch at the top. Under the hood is a 1.8 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 SoC paired with 506 GPU. The built-in memory on the device is expandable up to 256 GB using a microSD card. On a Magic 2 teaser confirms bezel-less design and slider mechanism. Also read. For photography, the Honor 8C is equipped with a dual camera setup at the back. This setup includes a 13-megapixel f/1.8 primary sensor, and 2-megapixel f/2.4 secondary sensor. For selfies, the device comes with an 8-megapixel f/2.4 sensor. For security, there's a fingerprint sensor placed at the back below the camera module, making sure everything ticks.